In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a high-performance 3D printer with a larger build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm, allowing for the creation of both large models and multiple smaller parts simultaneously, enhancing efficiency and creativity. It features CR Touch automatic leveling for easy and precise adjustments, as well as a high-precision dual Z-axis system with dual motors and a timing belt for improved stability and printing accuracy. The full metal Bowden extruder ensures smooth filament feeding while reducing nozzle blockages, and the 32-bit silent mainboard minimizes noise to under 50 dB for a quieter printing experience. Additionally, the printer includes a 350W built-in power supply for reliability, a power loss recovery function to resume prints after interruptions, and a filament sensor to detect material sufficiency, reducing waste and increasing success rates. This durable and efficient 3D printer is compatible with personal computers and is designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. ELEGOO MAS for MSLA 3D printer. The ELEGOO MAS for Resin 3D printer is a high-performance device designed for precision and ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It features a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an impressive resolution of 8520 by 4320 and an 18 micrometers XY resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed prints. With a generous build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm cubed, 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, it offers ample space for creative projects without compromising accuracy. The printer is equipped with a powerful COB light source for consistent and accurate exposure and a laser-carved build plate for excellent model adhesion and improved printing success rates. Its user-friendly 3.5-inch touch screen includes a model preview function and real-time progress bar for easy monitoring and adjustments during printing. Weighing 16 pounds and constructed with durable materials like ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, the MAS 4 is both robust and reliable. ELEGOO also provides professional technical support, ensuring prompt assistance within 24 business hours. This printer is ideal for hobbyists and beginners, though children should be supervised by an adult while using it. Number 3. Entina Mini 3D Printer. The Entina 2 3D printer is a compact, lightweight, and beginner-friendly device designed for ease of use and precision. Fully assembled out of the box, it features an auto-leveling system and a magnetic build plate for hassle-free setup and printing. Its dual Z-axis rails ensure high-precision printing, making it ideal for crafting and DIY projects. With a small build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 mm and a portable design, 8.3 inches by 8.3 inches by 11.4 inches, weighing 6.6 pounds, it is suitable for home, classroom, or office use. The printer includes a 2.4-inch LCD screen and WeBuilder Slicer software for offline printing via microSD card and supports resume printing after power outages. It is a perfect gift for beginners and children, offering a fun and accessible introduction to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer comes with a 30-day return policy, a 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical support to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 4. Snapmaker 2.0 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is an innovative modular 3-in-1 3D printer that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving into one powerful machine. With a robust aluminum build, it features a large build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing users to create large-scale prototypes without splitting files. Its modular design, powered by combust technology, ensures efficient and stable data transmission while enabling easy assembly and component changes. The machine delivers high precision with 0.005 mm repeatability and offers a user-friendly experience through its custom Snapmaker Luban software, a 5-inch touchscreen, and compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It supports features like power loss recovery, multi-object processing, and customizable profiles. The Snapmaker A350T comes with a 1-year warranty, professional technical support, and comprehensive resources to help users get started quickly. It is ideal for creators seeking a versatile, durable, and high-performance machine for various applications. Number 5. Geeetech M IDEX 3D Printer. The Geeetech Mizr M 3D printer is a robust and innovative device designed to enhance your 3D printing experience with unique features. It offers multicolor and mixed-color printing modes, enabling users to create models with dual colors or gradient effects, moving beyond traditional monochrome printing. The printer is equipped with a 3D touch auto-leveling system, allowing for quick and precise nozzle and heating bed alignment within 5 minutes. It also features a 32-bit TMC2208 silent motherboard for smoother operation and reduced noise levels, ensuring a quiet printing environment. The all-metal body structure, coupled with dual Z-axis screws and motors, enhances stability and printing accuracy. Compatible with 1.75mm PLA, ABS, and PETG filaments, the Mizr M is rigorously tested for quality and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users.